You know those lo-fi YouTube videos, a cozy room, someone studying, a simple looping scene, and a chill music, and millions of views. Today, I'll show you how to create your own lo-fi focus video like that using only AI, and how to turn a 10-second AI clips into a 15-minute YouTube video ready to upload. This video is sponsored by Higgsfield, and we're going to use their Kling 2.6 audio model, which generates video and sound together in one go. Kling 2.6 Audio is a new multimodal engine with Higgsfield that creates complete scenes with synchronized visuals, ambience, and voice. Instead of generating a silent video and then trying to find music and sound effects, you describe the scene and the mood once, and Kling generates the motion, the atmosphere, and the sound together. It's built for modern content workflows, shorts, explainers, ads, VFX tests, and concept pieces, where silence used to break immersion. I'm not promising you'll make money just because you upload lo-fi videos. Some channels do really well, some don't. It depends on how much content you put out and how people respond. This is a tool and a workflow, not a magic button. Let's jump into Higgsfield AI and start with our lo-fi scenes. I'm inside my Higgsfield dashboard using Kling 2.6 audio right now. The model generates short clips. You can choose from 5 seconds to 10 seconds, which is perfect for building loops. So here's my first prompt for a study at night vibe. So a cozy bedroom at night, camera slowly pushing in on a young person studying at a desk with a laptop open, warm desk lamp light, city lights outside the window, subtle movement of shadows. The audio is a chill lo-fi beat with soft drums, warm piano, and gentle room ambience. Perfect for focus and studying. I will paste this in, set the length to around 10 seconds, and hit generate. Now I have a 10-second clip where the video and audio already match the mood I described. Let's do a second angle so the video feels more alive. All of these prompts will be down in the description in my link tree, so you can just use them. So when Kling finished, now I have another 10-second clip and I have two different loops I can work with. You can repeat this process and create 3 to 5 to 10 different lo-fi scenes very quickly. Remember, Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generation for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plans by December 12th. So you can experiment a lot without worrying about hitting a limit. Now let's turn these short clips into a longer lo-fi video inside CapCut. I imported all the Kling 2.6 audio clips into my project. Each one already has video and audio combined. On the timeline, I place the first clip and simply duplicate it a few times, so it plays back to back like a loop. Then I switch to the second clip and loop that as well. For example, if I have 4 clips that are 10 seconds long, I can arrange them in a pattern like clip 1, clip 2, 3 and 4. And then repeat this pattern many times until the entire video is around 15 minutes. Because the scenes are subtle loops, a camera slowly moving, a person typing rain outside, it still feels natural and relaxing when it repeats. If some audio transition feel too sharp, I can add a tiny crossfade or lower the volume slightly between loops. The important thing is that overall vibe stays chill and consistent. On top of that video, I can add a very simple title like Lo-Fi Study Session, 15 minutes, or Focus with me, chill, lo-fi beats. Lo-fi videos don't need a lot of editing. The goal is to make something people can keep in the background while they focus. So when I'm happy with these loops, I will export the video in 1080p, Kling 2.6 already outputs in full HD, so it looks nice and sharp. Now you need somewhere to publish your lo-fi content. You can create a separate YouTube channel just for this, so it looks clean and focused. Pick a simple name like Night Focus Lo-Fi or Study Room Lo-Fi. Add a banner and profile picture that match the cozy study vibe. In your description, write something like Lo-Fi beats for studying, working, and late night focus. New videos every week. Then upload this 15-minute video you just created as your first Lo-Fi session. From there, you can just repeat the workflow. Generate more short clips in Kling 2.6, loop them in your editor, and build a library of videos over time. Before we wrap this up, let me give you 3 ways I would actually use Kling 2.6 audio as a creator, beyond just this one lo-fi video. Number 1. Shorts and Reels with built-in sound. Instead of making a silent AI clip and then scrolling for a sound on TikTok, you can generate 10-second vertical scenes with matching audio and drop them straight into your short form content. That's perfect for quick explainers, aesthetic edits, or hooks at the start of the video. Number 2. Fast explainer draft with auto voice. If you're making tutorials or educational content, you can use Kling 2.6 audio to block out scenes with voice included, just to test spacing, angles, and script ideas. Later, you can mute the audio and replace it with your own voiceover, but the timing and camera movement are already done for you. Number 3. Background loops for your own brand. You can generate multiple short clips in the same style, like we did with this study room, and reuse them across your channel as intro, outros, or background visuals while you talk. That's why I like tools like this. They don't replace you as a creator, they remove the boring parts and let you test more ideas much faster. So that's how I'm using Kling 2.6 audio to build lo-fi focused videos. Short AI generated scenes with video and sound, looped and combined into longer sessions, published on a dedicated YouTube channel. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI companies, and their goal is to be the most creator friendly platform. Right now, they're offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for everyone who subscribed to the Ultimate Plus plans by December 12th. And they currently have some of the lowest prices on the market for AI video generation. You'll find all the details at the link in the description. All the prompts I use for these clips are in my link tree, and more information about Kling 2.6 audio is also available at Higgsfield AI link in the description. If you want more videos on AI content and side hustles, subscribe, drop a like, and tell me in the comments what you want me to build next. Thanks for watching. Now put the lo-fi video back on and get to work. Your future self is already waiting for the results.